Welcome to Pramod Nainapalli YouTube channel. Today we discuss topic on acidity of phenols. So what is this acidity of phenols? First we have to know what is acid according to Laurie-Bronsted theory. Laurie-Bronsted theory of acid, Bronsted theory, as well as Lewis theory. So Lewis theory. So what is an acid according to this both theory? So according to the Laurie-Bronsted theory, acid is a substance which donate hydrogen as a proton. What is the acid? Acid is a substance which donate hydrogen as a proton. So when hydrogen donate as a proton, what happens? It leaves a pair of electrons. Already the oxygen is having two lone pair of electrons. It gives H plus ions. So according to the Laurie-Bronsted theory, now R is an aromatic because phenols means we will write here R as a benzene. Okay, so I am just giving example. According to the Laurie-Bronsted theory, acid is a substance which donate hydrogen as a proton. So it is true that when it donate hydrogen as a proton, then what it becomes means it is becomes an acid. So what is the base? Opposite of base. So opposite of this, we are not talking about the base, but just you remember. So according to the Laurie-Bronsted theory, base is a substance which accept hydrogen as a proton. Suppose if you take the amines are the basic in nature. So treat with acid. So what happens? They are capable of accepting hydrogen as a proton. So they accept hydrogen as a proton. So this is called as a base. So according to the Laurie-Bronsted theory, acidity is a substance which donate hydrogen as a proton. Base is a substance which accept hydrogen as a proton. Okay. So this is what the thing about acid base according to the Laurie-Bronsted. According to the Lewis theory, acid is a substance which accept a pair of electrons. So what is an acid? Acid is a substance which accept a pair of electrons. Yes. When hydrogen is leaving, it gives a pair of electrons. Means oxygen accepted electrons. So oxygen accepted electrons means it is an acid. They are the acid. So acid is a substance which accept a pair of electrons. And base is a substance which donate the pair of electrons. For example, here a nitrogen pair of electrons are there. This pair of electrons are donated. This pair of electrons, lone pair of electrons and nitrogen is donated. Hence what happens? Base is a substance which donate. It donate and form a bond with hydrogen. As a result NH3 plus you get, because nitrogen lone pair electrons are being donated. So base is a substance which donate the pair of electrons. So you got the easy way of understanding the acid and bases according to the Laurie-Bronsted and Lewis theory. Laurie-Bronsted theory says that acid is a substance which donate the pair of acid is a substance which donate hydrogen as a proton. Base is a substance which accept hydrogen as a proton. According to the Lewis theory, it tells about the electrons acceptance. If acid is a substance which accept the electrons, base is a substance which donates the electrons. Now we have understood this a little bit and we are not gone in depth of all these things. Now let us discuss actual topic about acidity of phenols. Yes, phenols are weak acidic. They are acid, but they are weak acidic. They are weak acidic. Why they are weak acidic? We will discuss. They are they are weak acidic. They are weak acidic. So why they are weaker acidic? They are weaker acids than that of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids are somewhat stronger acids than that of phenols. So why it is, we will come to know when we go for the carboxylic acid. But we will learn only why it is a weaker acidic or why it is acidic. Now let us see. Let us take the phenols. So phenols is there, and these phenols are acidic. Why they are acidic means I treat with water molecule. Water is an amphoteric in nature. Means It acts as an acidic, it acts as a base. Both it will act. Now this is an acidic, this is a base. Now just now we have said one particular theory. What is that? Lowry-Bronsted theory, or we have said that Lewis theory. According to those theory, acid is a substance which what it will do? Here oxygen is having two lone pair of electrons. Now what happens? Acid is a substance which donate hydrogen as a proton. This hydrogen will be donated. Means the oxygen will take these electrons. No, freely available lone pair of electrons. Freely available lone pair of electrons are there. As a result, what happens? This hydrogen can be give up very easily. It can donate hydrogen as a proton. Now when it donate hydrogen as a proton, why it is donating hydrogen as a proton means, why this hydrogen is going and attacking on this oxygen means freely available lone of pair of electrons. You can ask one question here. Here also there is an oxygen which is having two lone pair of electrons. They are also freely available. No, they will give to the ring. The electrons are given to the ring. Now what happens? Hydrogen is very intelligent. This hydrogen, what it will do means, it will not be stabilized if electrons are not there. So what happens? It will look on some other atom. So here other oxygen is there which is freely available. So what happens? It will break the bond here, because the oxygen given the electrons, when oxygen is given the electrons to the ring, it becomes positive charge. It becomes electropositive. Oxygen becomes electropositive. Now the bond between oxygen and hydrogen is very weaker. What it is? It is very weaker. When it is very weaker, it will break and it will form like this. Okay. So what is formed here? You can see very easily. The thing is, so when hydrogen donate hydrogen as a proton, what happens? It leaves a pair of electrons, means it carries minus charge. It carries the minus charge. It carries the negative charge. Now what is going to happen means, when it carries the negative charge, now you can find that the hydrogen will go and attack this. H2O becomes hydronium ion. H3O plus hydronium ion. Now this is an acid because it has donated hydrogen as a proton according to the Lowry-Bronsted theory, and according to the Lewis acid theory, it is an acid because it given a pair of electrons, or as substance is accepted a pair of electrons. Yes or no? When hydrogen is leaving, it leaves a pair of electrons. That pair of electrons are carried as a negative charge. So what happens? It has given, or acid is a substance which has given the electrons. Okay, so which are taken away the electrons. They are accepted the electrons. This oxygen has accepted the electron from this hydrogen. When hydrogen is leaving, it accepted the electrons. So acid is a substance according to the Lewis theory, is a substance which accepts a pair of electrons. It accepted a pair of electrons. According to the Lowry-Bronsted, it donated hydrogen as a proton. Now, among this, the first and foremost important thing is, it will undergo resonance stabilization. The acidity of phenols, we tell it is an acid or acidity of phenols because of resonance stabilization. Phenol will undergo resonance stabilization. This is phenoxide ion. This is phenoxide ion. So phenol also undergo resonance stabilization, and phenoxide ion also will undergo resonance stabilization. Now if you see that here resonance stabilization, the oxygen, how we can write the resonance stabilization structures for this phenol? Very simple. This lone pair of electrons on the oxygen will be given to the ring. And as a result, these pi electrons will come out of the ring. So what happens? There is a charge takes place. Now I will write the resonance stabilization structure of phenol. So to explain the acidity, this is a very important topic which has been asked in the examination, during examination for 2 marks or sometimes they will ask for 5 marks also. Now 5 marks also many times they have asked. Now what happens, it gives a pair of electrons. When it gives a pair of electrons, it forms a double bond. Yes or no? It gives the electron, so double bond is formed. Yes. Now one lone pair of electrons lost by the oxygen. Now what it carries? It carries the positive charge. What it carries? It carries the positive charge because the electrons are given. We have already said that to the benzene, if hydroxyl group is attached, hydroxyl group is which type of group? Hydroxyl group is an electron donating group. We said that it will donate the electrons to the ring. When it is donated electrons to the ring, what happens? It has taken positive charge, and this pi electrons will come here and it takes the negative charge. Now what happens? This structure will go on undergoing the resonance stabilization. How it will undergo? I told you, whenever you are writing the resonance stabilization, the pi electrons must move towards the charge. For your understanding, don't mark like this. Actually you have to mark like this, but just for understanding I am showing. So what happens? The pi electrons move towards the charge, and charge will come and move where the pi electrons are moved. As a result, you get a resonance stabilization. What you get resonance stabilization? This is moving this side. Yes, this bond remains as it is. Now this negative charge will come and form here, negative charge, this carbon. Yes, and rest of will be same. OH, positive charge. Now last structure, if you see this is the first one, this is second one. Now again this pi electron, one pi electron is over, one pi bond. Next pi bond, it will move towards the charge. It will move towards the charge, and charge will move where the pi bond is left. You get another resonance stabilization. I told you very simple technique. This is a very simple technique. The negative charge will go where it is left. Okay. So whatever, fine. And here it is. This pi bond will move towards the negative charge. Rest of remains same. OH plus, only one lone pair of electrons are available. This is third structure. This is third structure. Yes. So equal. Last structure, if you see, this is third structure. Last structure, this will give back the electrons to the oxygen. Means the electrons are taken by the oxygen, and as a result what happens? It again forms a phenol structure back. Has been given, the electrons are given towards the oxygen, means the pi bond will go and give the electrons. It becomes OH, two lone pair of electrons. It forms a bond. Okay, it gives the electron here. This will take the electrons from there. As a result, once again phenol structure will be formed. Okay, so what happens? This is the fourth structure. Okay, so phenol is having a resonance structures of 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 resonance hybrid structures. Finally, what happens means these electrons are given to the ring, and the pi electrons or pi bond on the oxygen and carbon will be taken away by the oxygen. Again it will take two pair of electrons. Again it will form back to the phenol. So this is a resonance structure of phenol. I will write both the resonance structure, phenol and the phenoxide. Then I will tell you which is more stable. I am not talking about the stability now. Just I have written the resonance stabilization structures. Now if you come to the point of the phenoxide ion, here what happens? One pair of electrons are given. Already 3 pairs are there. One is given. So it becomes double bond O. But oxygen is having 2 lone pair of electrons. One minus charge only containing electrons are given. So it becomes like this. Now what happens? The pi bond which is there inside will come outside. It carries the negative charge and here. Yes. Now what happens? Resonance stabilization. Movement of electrons towards the charge, and charge will give the electrons. You can write very easily. This will go there. This bond remains same. and the negative charge will come here. Double bond O. Okay, this is a first hybrid structure, second hybrid structure, and third hybrid structure. This will come towards the charge and charge will go here. So what is going to happen here? The charge will come here where the pi bonds are left, and pi electrons move towards the charge. You get here double bond O. Then finally what happens? These electrons are given to the ring. The pi bond which is there on the carbon will be given to the oxygen. You get again normal phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion you get. So phenoxide ion is formed. Phenoxide ion is formed. Phenoxide ion. This will give the electrons. Yes. Pi bond. And pi bond, from the pi bond carbon gives the electrons. It becomes once again the phenoxide anion. Okay, so these are the various structures of the resonance structure of phenoxide ion. Very simple. The lone pair of electrons, here it is having a negative charge containing lone pair of electrons. It gives, here already 2 electrons are there. So it will not take any positive charge because oxygen is having 2 lone pair of electrons. But here what happens? 2 lone pair of electrons, from that one will go, that's why it will carry the positive charge. Now when you see this resonance hybrid structures, you can find, what you can find means phenoxide ion is having only one negative charge. One negative charge, they disperse throughout the ring. Here when you see the phenol, you have the negative and positive charge. There is a charge separation taking place. So charge separations taking place means because of 2 charge. One is positive charge on the oxygen, one is negative charge. Charge separation is there means it is less stable. What it is? It is less stable. If there are 2 charges, these are having charge separation less stable. These don't have the charge separation. Charge separation means plus charge, minus charge. Plus charge, minus charge. You will not find such kind of structure here. In case of phenoxide ion, only minus charge, only one charge. Any charge, any resonance stabilization having one charge means it is more stable. It will disperse throughout the ring. It is more stable. Phenoxide are more stable. Hence, the phenols are acidic in nature because of phenoxide ions are more stable. If more the stability of phenoxide ion, more the acidic in nature. So they are more stable. So because they are stabilized by resonance structure, when they are stabilized by resonance structure, they are acidic in nature. Hence they are acidic in nature. Now you got the idea. Because of stabilization of phenoxide ion, they are acidic.